half dyslexic. So is she. Oh, get the dog off of me. Get the... What the dog doing? Trying to attack you. Get the dog. Oh, I'm gonna bite his hand. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Where's doggy?
You're so cute.
Hey kids, it's your kpcutie with another video today. So today we're gonna be doing a vlog about what I do on a daily basis. For our things.
If nobody was listening, what would you say?
I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Like, I don't know what to say about with anything.
What do you mean?
I don't know what I'm talking
How
about.
you feel? How you feeling today? Your true feelings of today overall.
A little bit
Oh, wait,
emotional.
wait. Really? That was the mosquito.
I'm just feeling like how to. I know to be open with you, but sometimes I get scared because I don't know what you'll be upset with me.
Who cares? If you worry about everybody being upset with you, you'll be worrying your entire life. I don't care about people being upset with me. Even when I piss people off and I be like, oh, I shouldn't have said that. But it was the truth, you know? And all you can do is apologize for your actions or the way that the person may have perceived a situation. And if there's an explanation, you explain. Sometimes I just explain what it was the truth and keep it moving. The only reason why we take things to heart when we're feeling a certain type of way is because we don't want that person to feel a certain type of way. We don't want to lose that person. And I don't believe in hanging on to nothing that don't want me. And I think a lot of that comes from the need. Everybody, remember we were talking about, yeah, in relationships with people, and then the guy was like, you want somebody that needs you and you need them. No, I don't want nobody that needs me. And I think that's the hardest thing for y'all to understand. When I tell you, I want you to need me. I want you to want to be around me. Just like I want to be around you.
How are you? How you doing?
Why you gotta be all extra when the camera come on?
I'm not. That's how I am. I'm just tired.
You is not like that.
Yes, I am.
She's a lie.
No, I am.
Look, she actually got a smile on her face. She don't have
For once in my
a happy
life,
face on though.
I can actually smile. Oh my God. Mom, go get the doctor. Call the doctor right now.
I
I'm
know,
not kidding.
you
Call the
sweat.
doctor.
Y'all better call somebody.
Okay. It was a new type of love. Not funny.
Hey. So, anyways, I'm tired.
We're at the park. We just got finished recording the video, which you gotta see on our family channel. So if you don't want to see that now, it's gonna drop sometime soon. I don't know when, but I'll have it down in the description box below so you can go check it out. And right now, I'm just at the park with my family and just chilling out. I'll tell you guys about my outfit later when we're back at home. Be right back.
Hey cuties, if you really want to know who I really am, this is me. This is the me that I try to hide all the time. I don't want nobody to know that I'm bougie.
I am.
Very much so. See, those are my siblings, those little dots that are in front of us. And this is me walking extra slow. I've always been like this my entire life.
I ain't know what that is.
Told you.
Fit check, fit check, fit check, fit check.
Fit check, fit check, fit check, fit check,
fit check. Oh, look at the shoes. Oh, look at the pants. Oh, look at her shoes. Look at her pants. Oh, look at her shirt. Wow. Look at her hat.
Yeah.
Gotti.
Gotti!
Talk to your people.
I don't know what to talk about.
I don't know what to talk about. I just be talking about.
Just talk. How you back today?
Okay guys, we're back at home. Right now I just took a shower because I was hot and sweaty when I was on that walk. So I changed my outfit. I went with my white pants that's so comfy and with my cute cotton. I kind of say it's kind of like cotton candy crop top. It's not cotton candy, it's more like a spotter paint, different type of colors like that. But it's gonna be cotton candy today. And I'm just home, got relaxed. Right now I'm editing, well I just finished editing one video, which you will see on her family page, so go check it out. Yeah, don't mind my closet or that mess right there, or the mess over there. I still gotta clean my room. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I gotta finish cleaning my room, so I just wanna come here real quick and tell you guys what I've been doing. Finish editing a video. So happy it's Friday. No school. I had to do 3 tests on that day, but good thing I passed 2. Well, I got 100% on 2 and 50%, 55% on 1. It's okay. I'll get them next time. So right now I'm gonna have to clean up my mess because even my stuff right here is a mess too. So your girl's gonna be clean today. So this is not, since it's not spring clean, but it's spring clean for today. But I'm gonna be doing that. I've also been doing something else. I might tell you guys. I don't know if you guys want to know. Should I tell them, girl? I should tell them. I should tell you. I've been doing lately, like since like while my free time, where I'm just not doing anything or just chilling. I've been writing in my book, making my own supernatural book. I know. I'm obsessed with the show, so that I even make my own book. I use my own handwriting. I just went on Pinterest, got all the stuff that was in John's journal. If you're not watching Supernatural, go check it out. It's a very good show. So basically I'm writing down what everything was in John's journal and just writing that down here. Yeah, don't mind my handwriting. It's sloppy a little bit. I like my handwriting. So I've been writing down that. I've been doing that lately, so don't judge, girl. No judging here. This is a no judging zone. So if you feel like you can be a fan on the channel, go ahead, hit that little like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel too, because we're always a fan girl, fan geek, or we're just here to just love all something supernatural or weird or anything that is out of the element that we don't really talk about over here. So I've been doing that. So I just want to say, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you like, subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below which part of the video you like, or you want to see more of me, my vloggers. I'm probably going to be doing more vlogs on the channel, so you're going to be seeing me do more vlogs. Don't forget to hit that little bell to be notified when I post a video, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye, cuties. Cutie out.